This is our alternative energy project, and our topic is geothermal energy.
Geothermal energy lies deep inside the earth in the form of hot water. This water can be used to heat homes and generate electricity cleanly and efficiently. Water inside the earth is very hot, so hot that it can melt rocks and create magma. Water can get trapped within magma and surround rocks that are heated by magma, and the water heats up. Geysers, water springs, and geothermal reservoirs are formed when water escapes through the cracks of the hot rocks.
Geothermal can be used directly to heat buildings. Hot water can be piped directly into a building and have its heat transferred to the building's heating system. The used water then goes through a pipe known as an injection well back into the reservoir to be reheated and used again. Geothermal heat pumps can also be used to heat buildings. A series of pipes called a loop are put underground where the water remains at a constant 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat is taken from the pipes through an electric compressor, and a heat exchanger is sent through air ducts throughout the building. When it is not hot, the pipes draw heat away from the building instead of bringing it in.
Our school's geothermal field uses the heat pump method. Water is taken from the earth when it's hot and is used until it's cold. So, hot water is taken from the earth, represented by the red pipes on the chart. It is then used in the school, represented by this box in the corner. After the water is used, it is cold, and so it follows the blue pipes back down to the earth, where it is then reheated and brought back up for future use.
Inside the earth, convection brings hot material to the surface. Usually matter cools and falls back to the earth's core to be heated again, but sometimes heat breaks through the earth's surface, creating a volcano. The cause of this heat also relates to how it is used. Man creates artificial convection currents through geothermal energy production by piping in hot water and releasing cool water after it is used.
Here are a few pros and cons of geothermal energy. Some pros: it has very low carbon emissions, which means it will help the environment. Has a limitless supply because water recycles. Facilities for geothermal energy are also underground, so it doesn't waste space and it's not visible, which is good. And there's also no fuel required, so we don't have to waste any petroleum. Some cons is that it's very location specific. You need to be by a hot water source. Obviously, water usage will be a factor because you'll start using more water. High construction costs. It's very expensive, and it is also difficult to drill into heated rock, which could be a problem because that's where all the water comes from, and it'll also make it more expensive.
Here are the list of resources that we used.
Thank you.